Wake up with me in my new house, and this is the first couple of days of fall, so I am feeling so good. I cannot wait for all the fall vibes to happen. When I wake up, I like to open the curtains, play with my little fur babies, make my bed because I feel like, okay, I got one task done for the day. Now it's time to freshen up this face. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then hop in the shower. I don't feel like washing my hair this morning. I washed it last night and I try not to wash it too much. So then after that, I'm just gonna grab a cute little set, like a short and sports bra because it is super hot still outside. I can't wait till it gets cooler. My mornings are my self-care time, so I take time to take care of my skin and my body with my routines. So I give my face a little extra love and care as well as my body. I have stretch marks and dry skin, so I've been using the Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm from the JLo body line. By the way, this video is sponsored by JLo Beauty. I have been through 2 of these already, as you can see. I'm so happy I have a new one, and it has really made my skin look and feel so smooth and so much more firmer than usual. It visibly firms and hydrates the skin. It visibly fades the appearance of your stretch marks and increases your skin elasticity, which is absolutely amazing. I've been really enjoying the way my skin has felt since using this. I've been putting it all over my body and anywhere I have stretch marks, and my skin is so smooth. Not just when I put it on, it doesn't wear off throughout the entire day. My skin is so incredibly smooth and I really love it. Okay, so I want to break down why it's so good. I'm going to tell you the ingredients. There's an ingredient called the guarana seed extract. I hope I'm saying that right. That helps visibly smooth the skin. It also has pink pepper slim, and this is what diffuses the appearance of stretch marks. The other ingredient is heptapeptide 7. It boosts natural collagen production and reduces visible signs of aging skin on the body. How amazing is that? Like, I want to put this on every single day, every morning, every night. So that's probably why I'm running out. It's really good, you guys. My love for jewelry is on the next level. I like to change up my jewelry almost every other day. So I grab a new pair of jewelry, and these earrings are so freaking cute. I just got them in. I'll link everything below that I'm wearing and that I have on. These are just the cutest earrings ever, and they make me feel so good. Then I just do my hair really quick. I don't feel like doing a whole hairstyle, so I'm just giving myself a little blowout with this round brush that's kind of like a blow dryer. And once that's done, I'll just put on a little makeup depending what I'm filming that day. I just put on brows, light mascara, and some concealer and gloss. So I'm finally done getting ready. My mornings are my self-care time, so I do take my time. And I'm gonna go and get breakfast right now. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make. Oh my goodness, so rude, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone. They didn't feel like being bothered this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys my kitchen. On my last home tour video, I did get a few things, but it's not completely done yet. So I am still gonna do a house tour video with the decorations, but just not yet. This is a little sneak peek though. I'm gonna be honest, if I wasn't filming, it would probably be about 9 o'clock right now, but it is currently 1 because I'm filming. So I am starving. But usually I make these egg bites. They're so easy and super delicious, so I'm gonna make these. What you do is you leave it in the paper tray and you put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And I promise you they taste just like Starbucks. I'm not even joking. That's gonna be so good. Another real life situation. My coffee machine is currently out of order because she needs to be descaled or something inside. So I'm going with instant coffee for this morning. Old school style. I can't wait to put this in like an actual cute aesthetic thing from Amazon. She's ready. A little cinnamon. This pumpkin spice. And she's everything nice. I had to do it. She's so cute. I usually just sit here, eat, look out at the trees. It's so pretty. This bear I got for Jaden and Caesar for Valentine's Day one year. It's so cozy and comfy. I use it as a pillow when I lay down. And this actually came from our movie room and somehow ended up in our living room, and it's just been there. It's also part of the aesthetic, so might as well just leave them there. That's why there's a big bear there. Guys, from this video, you should get 2 things. These egg bites from Costco and the JLo Body Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm. Change your life. I promise you. The best. These are so good. Okay, I'm gonna go film some IG and TikToks, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.